Okay. Go, Tonty. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is alright. Yeah. It's a pretty decent sized bed. Right, so we'll do a quick tour of the room for you. Okay. Bathroom with a squinty toilet. Ooh. Pretty big shower trace. I reckon we could both get in there. What do you reckon? You could shove us right in there.
Yeah, it's a nice shower, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's got all the soaps and... See, it's got a shampoo and conditioner, which you don't often get. Quite often you just get a shampoo
Well,
and no conditioner. So,
it's always such a letdown, you know?
it is, yeah.
We'll have to try
You
that
get
back away
moisturiser.
later. Yeah. Oh, what'd you get there?
You get hand soap and lotion.
And lotion.
Yeah, which is quite nice.
Ooh.
And tissues.
And tissues in case you...
Need a tissue.
What for?
For blowing your nose.
Isn't that what sleeves are for? So what's this?
This is all set in cupboard. Wardrobe.
Ah. Let's see what we've got here.
Iron board, hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Need to that for a spin.
Well, maybe in the
Iron
morning.
board.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hangers.
That laundry bag.
Laundry bag.
Yep.
Yeah, awesome. You're going to show all the dust up there. What's that?
I don't know. That's a mystery object that we're not going to touch or play with in any way.
There's a big mirror as well, which is good.
So you can see all of yourself as you walk out the bathroom.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And do we have some air conditioning? What's this? Oh. Oh yeah, let's get that down. How? Right. Nope. That's better. So next to the bed, we've got bedside lights. We've got twin USB and a UK socket. Bit.
Nice view of the car park.
Nice view of the car park. Is that a thing? So it's a charming view of the car park.
I like the colours in here.
I like the colours in here.
They're nice, aren't they? Nice and
Yeah.
calming.
Take the food. Same on this side. Two USBs. Sockets for things. What go on and off. Oh, look at that. It's a
that's
safe.
okay. That's cool.
Fantastic. Reasonable size. You can get a laptop into that. That looks like a bed city.
Yeah.
I quite like that. It's very apt to Edinburgh.
Yeah, quite artistic, isn't it?
Yeah, but you've got lots of the things that Edinburgh's famous for.
Tea and coffees.
Teas and coffees.
What are these? Coffee bags.
Coffee bags. Ooh. Gonna have to put them in my
Rich
coffee bag.
Italian. And then you've got Yorkshire tea.
Of course, you should have a Yorkshire tea.
Yeah.
Even as a Scotsman, you should have Yorkshire
they
tea.
are the best, really, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Excellent. Cool. That one. There we go. Now you whistle and Dixie. Well, look at this. So, we've got a European socket there as well. As well as two more sockets with USBs for charging up all your devices. That's really clever actually. I've not seen that in a hotel before.
Yeah.
In the UK, a European socket.
Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah, a massive
Nice
TV.
big telly, yeah.
That's a, what's that, a 50-inch? Must be about a 50-inch TV. Another double socket. And what have we got here? Let's have a little peek at this. You're getting comfy.
firm, but not too firm. That is really bright.
I'm sure it's twisty. I think you can twist it. There you go. It's just guff a bit like a towel. That's not bad overall, is it?
I like it, it's nice, isn't it?
I like it, yeah.
With a complimentary breakfast as well.
Complimentary breakfast.
Yeah, from 4 AM till
10 AM. 4 AM till 10 AM. Complimentary breakfast. Yeah, not bad. There's a bar downstairs as well and a restaurant. Other bits and pieces.
yeah, nice.
Yeah, overall, yeah, not bad at all. Anyway, see you later.
Cheerio.
Bye. Bye, 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 bye.